Mind the gap. Mind the gap.
Just wow. And that's on the O'Gage House. Wow. Boy of a manor. Wow. Oh no.
Just take the photograph for yourself.
Wow. Wow. Oh. Just before I get my ticket, my train ticket. And an O'Gage as well. Is very fussy.
No, is that right? Anything like that?
Yeah. Might as well get a quick clip.
Bacon roll. That sounds nice.
I have a lot of editing to do.
Burgers.
Note yourself, I have a lot of editing to do.
No.
How long? Okay, how long?
Obviously, he doesn't like that. Points. He doesn't like that. Points.
A long time.
Yeah.
I think I got stuck.
Oh no.
Alvin, zodat je met trainen.
Okay, now to Joker going backwards. Back to the O.
Which is then used, it tops up to drive the motor itself and to drive the electronics. So, it also looks at that signal. Message is coming in, yeah, that's a valid message, what's it saying, it says this, that's fine, and then passes that out to the understanding, the signals is, yeah. Sometimes I used to be able to know how to sit down and generate it, so it's a control system. Yeah. I don't know if you want a video.
Just filming some stock movement.
toilet homes for Bakerloo like.
Yep. And the last time was Victoria. Yeah, I think the 22nd of June was Victoria's house.
Yeah.
Now it's Bakerloo.
No.
From that here, innit?
I've only got 4.
To the bay platform. To the bay platform.
Still, get your wallet. You ain't got a couple of five of them, yeah?
I've never seen them there. I think it's going to be
Perfect shot.
And as I was saying to need to be careful. Some of them are actually
More perfect shot.
No, I ain't got fivers. Check your wallets, gentlemen. Anyone got any fivers? No? No? Yeah, no, I'm going through fucking bank cards like I'm going out of fashion here.
Yeah.
Not getting anything for it.
Don't wish them.
My part.
Yeah.
Good. I'm down to feature on the variety.
Wait, just need to check. So, these videos are right. I posted it, but I don't know what it's like on YouTube. Yeah, I need to check. Yeah.
While you're checking, I'm doing some more filming.
It's the darkness. It's not great because it was cloudy that day.
So you need.
I got 4 views, but
I was going to say, Chris, you're the biggest kid going.
Yep, I am.
The reason for that should be worth more than a lifetime.
I reckon the rail car will be coming out. Yep. It was. Where's Richard's scene? Where's Richard's adventure scene?
just wait for it to
No,
start.
what have you seen? That's a question. What have you
It goes
seen?
round there, it goes up there, through there, round there, over there, round there. Got that?
Yeah.
This way, this one goes.
I hear something.
Oh, disconnected. Disconnected.
Oh, that's all right.
Doesn't seem to want to do what I want it to do.
Had a moment.
No.
Yeah, the logo's alright. That's me. I put the caboose on and it's not working.
Perfect angle.
Oh gosh.
An independent logo, I believe. It's not a Great Western one, is it?
I guess.
Made from a kit by one of our members.
Yeah, that's the name. No, because no branding.
No, it's
Well, no rubber
just a
brothers.
generic, like industrial engine. I can't remember what I'm doing now.
Going backwards.
Right. Just putting together a goods from, basically. The layout is Great Western Branch Line Terminus with a made up West Country sounding name.
Is it
Bovey Manor.
Bovey? Just not sure how to pronounce it.
Well, depends on where you're from in Devon.
I'm from Essex, so oops.
Yeah.
Oops. I'm less lad.
Well, the people who built it pronounce it Bovey Manor. But I grew up in Devon and we always pronounced it Bovey.
Go to the tea stall. Oh yeah.
And I was informed by somebody who wasn't from Devon that I got it wrong. So maybe I have. These couplings are so fiddly.
Although none of the tubes were leaking.
Right, so let's put the goods train
Quite a thick steel.
back behind the signal.
Anything that's going to go first, it's going to be the tube plate at the back, and it's going to mean the tube's going to start leaking, but none of them will.
So they have to be weaker than the rest of it, really.
Well, they're only expanded. Yeah. They're only expanded tubes on that, so.
And we're going to run round, couple to the front, and then take the train out the station.
What's it, to the fiddly yard?
Yep, from the station into the field yard.
Yeah, space, enough space.
I think I've got room.
Hopefully.
No train.
I think there's a cattle wagon on the way. Looks like a cattle wagon.
No, it'll fit in there. I'm sure it will.
Great Wrangler. So have you got down on the bus?
We shall see if when you get there, the brake van will be sticking out of the tunnel, I mean of the bridge, or not. That's the question.
What's happening?
Right. So there we are. Just got to wait for the signal.
Sunday, why they gone wrong now? It's 3 times last week. This week they've gone wrong. So major disruption on Clacton, Ipswich and Norwich, but Braintree's all wrong. Cancellations between Stratford and Shingle. Due to a police station incident near the railway between Stratford and Shingle, all lines are yeah, but that isn't...
I haven't turned the power on, have I? Why do I always do that when someone's watching? Right, there we are.
Won't be much of the pressure.
There.
There.
It's in.
Pause.
Right, here we go.
Yeah.
Yep. Let's have a signal. There we go.
And something special will be coming out soon.
Right.
Well,
This is Metropolitan Railway. Train probably from about 1890. Victorian, very Victorian train. Metropolitan Railway used to go out to the suburbs.
Okay.
We've got a full brake, all third, first third, and a second class brake, and that would have been quite a common setup for a train on the Metropolitan Railway.
although probably not in Devon.
No,
Probably not
it's a
visiting
bit-
Devon.
Yeah, the driver seems to have got lost.
A little bit.
And I haven't got a layout at home, so this is the only place where I can.
Just a little bit. Oh gosh.
Right, okay, let's. Yeah, we need to run around. This Lyco's got a DCC decoder fitted, and it's responding a bit oddly to the analog controller.
Oh.
So it's a little bit difficult.
Awkward.
Yeah, you have to be a little bit gentle with the controller, otherwise it will shoot off. I don't know why. Right, that one. That's facing the right way. Go around. So none of these coaches are available off the shelf to buy. I had to make them all myself.
Oh wow, so all smash bills. Oh wow, so keep it all smash bills. Wow.
A mixture of with O gauge. There's lots of people like cottage industries that make bits and pieces. So I designed that one using Tinkercad and had it professionally 3D printed.
Oh wow.
That one I built the chassis, the running boards, the roof, but I bought the sides from a small supplier. This one, everything above the chassis is built out of cardboard scrounged from cereal packets.
Oh wow.
It's my favourite material because it's cheap.
Very cheap. I'm very
Get the Tick Effect paint finish.
Wow.
I used the yellow, the Spanish, American paints. It's a mixture of orange brown and teak wood dye to get the colour effect. It seems to have turned out right.
Yeah, wow. Oh, wow, yeah.
There are passengers inside, but I haven't got any lights fitted yet. They're to come later.
I think other roofs easy to get on and off to change passengers or to...
Oh god, these, I hate these companies, they're so fiddly. There's got to be a better way of doing this. I haven't found it yet, there's got to be.
One good thing about O gauge details. One bad thing about O gauge, the details.
Obviously the Loco's London Transport, which is quite modern compared to the coaches, but there are no Metropolitan Railway locomotives available in O gauge. You have to build them yourself.
Wow.
Whether I'll ever be able to do that, I don't know. That's a project for later.
Well, this isn't a battery. This is not a battery central line.
Oh,
right?
yeah.
That would be interesting to build.
Those battery locos were been around for a very long time, actually.
Wow.
They did have them. Battery locos quite a long time ago. It's finding the drawings.
Wow.
Right, we've got the right of way.
Yep, the signal is green.
Yep, so let's go.
Now we've got confidence
I saw nothing. Here's our opera.
That's the full-length train. It just fits in the platform.
Will you be able to run around? That's the question.
Yeah, it'll fit. The run round's about the right size. Yeah.
Ooh.
I presume that the milk vans back then would have had milk churns.
Ooh. Actually, I'll take a couple of pictures. Yes.
See if we can get the fit.
Murder. Will the train be too long?
Yeah,
Will it
it
be...
might be.
Oh there.
Hang on. I might just make it.
Moment of truth.
Yeah. Find out now. Fingers crossed. Here we go.
The moment of truth there.
Oh, we're okay.
Just about.
Let's see what happens down this end.
Like, yes. Well.
There's a slight touch there.
streets going round, even though yours have passages.
Now with a good strain you could shunt it uncoupled, but you, it's against the rules to loose shunt coaching stock on any railway.
Oh.
So you always have to couple up, even if you just shunt it.
Yeah.
Good seeing you going.
Yeah, I've got a bed.
Hey, you're leaving me?
No, no, 4 hours sleep.
Fair enough.
I'll be there for the next day, being more away.
So see you next week, Reg. I'll see you on Saturday.
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
There's no trains at the moment.
Cruise Hill, yes.
Oh yeah, Cruise Hill, yeah.
Can't wait.
Okay, hopefully the train's next Saturday.
There's no mainline train.
Oh no. Hopefully trains will be okay next week, I hope. For Cruise Hill.
Right. This is the sort of train that would normally operate from central London out to places like Rickmansworth and Aylesbury and places like that.
Let's see the whoa. Oh wow.
Those parts of London which were known at the time as Metroland because of the railway,
Oh wow, because the
they
Metropolitan
built
Railway.
commuter towns at the end of the line, which were nicknamed Metroland because they were contributed to by the building of the Metropolitan Railway.
Oh wow.
I think I've got that the right way around.
Just about. I haven't got this train alright today. I've been usually getting the literally overhead videos of the overhead train this year. But not this one.
Reminds me of Gammages. Oh, the old shuttle. Oh, paperwork. Yeah, I used to go to
Yeah, that failed. It's almost clean enough. Ooh. Perfect timing.
Because they're saying like this.
Wow. I mean, ooh, it's not busy. I could have a proper look at the whole length of the letter. Whoa.
I suppose that was short rundown.
Anyway, a couple of local places who moaned about the place. What really threw the facilitators, because they're not instructors, they're facilitators. Completely threw them, little Greek girls, they're all pretty little Greek girls coming.
That would be good, isn't it?
Like, you know, like Stavros,
I can tell you why.
this is Cyprus. They actually speak to school, they invited them to come along and slag us off, because that's what usually happens.
Yeah.
And anyway, so when she finished, and she said, I love you guys, nice to meet you all, and I'm going, oh, thank you, and she obviously went, and we're sitting there, and the facilitators go, oh. For one. Completely gobsmacked. Okay. And then we had a flat started ranting about slavery and bollocks and she said, oh no, this is nonsense. I go back to the only people in slave to sit my sisters in slave, I'm not people. And you wouldn't know it's different. Different story. Anyway, But I went, yes, I was overtrained. So when I went back to work the next day, I was like early saying customer service. I went out to work the next day, and the officer said, "You were supposed to be in the cadre yesterday. What happened?" I said, "You sent me on a racial awareness course." He went, "Oh, you did not."
Seem to be coming back to this layout. I wonder why I keep on coming back to this layout. It's probably got something to do with this train.
You sorted out the problem, sir? You solved the problem. What was it? Something stupid.
There's a connection on the thing.
Miss it again. Almost missed it, almost missed it. Oh man, I almost missed it. Almost. Oh man, almost missed it. Ooh. If I can, to try and get.
Yeah, this is
Has she gone? How about instead on?
Yeah, come out there.
Watching this tunnel closely. I heard. Oops. Okay, it's a very big layout and yeah, very long. Long complicated.
Even I sit there.
That's okay.
This is kind of cool. Yeah, I know. I've got 15 people in that, but mine didn't work, so.
Look at
Oh, that's a climax.
and look at the corrugated iron on the side of that.
That's probably real metal.
Should be hopefully high level.
It was built by a former member who's now no longer with us. Started many years ago.
Yeah.
And I think he built it partly as a
I
living.
think I've lost it.
Where it was
Yeah, I've lost that.
his sons still members of the club.
Ooh. A bit of running around. Oh wow. Okay, now the sun's come out. Now this. Hey, one of the volunteers.
Hello, I'm Peter.
And Ilford and West Essex Model Railway Club. Peter can usually be found being the guard for that train. Yeah.
So yeah, I'm normally the guard on the train. I do the tickets as well. We're just packing up now. And yeah, I've been a member of the club for nearly a year now, and just yeah, I think it's brilliant.
Not bad, not bad. And what can you tell us about the train itself, the railway itself?
The railway track was laid in the 1980s by a team of very skilled people.
Wow.
And they've made the most of a limited space. I think there's about a kilometre of track all told, and numerous points and slips and signals, and it's all properly done, just like a real railway.
I've been including a whistle sign on the other end.
Yep.
Definitely, and signals are important. Definitely important.
They are very important.
Yep. Especially with this type of, well, what's the word? Especially with this complication of points.
Yeah, so we've got 2 signal boxes, and they are full of scary levers, and you need a bit of training to get in there.
Oh. Oh.
But yeah, it's very cool. There's also maintenance bays over there,
Yes, yeah.
and yeah, it's just basically a haven for train lovers.
With a train, I had a bit of an accident, but yeah.
I can't really speak about that right now.
Yeah. But if you want to find out more, visit the Ilford and West Essex Model Railway Club. First Sunday of every month, from April to October. And as you can see the time, yeah, 10:30 and 4 p.m. They're on some socials, just a couple. Yeah. And for the final shot today,